The CrowdStrike Falcon platform is a cloud-based architecture that provides next-generation antivirus, EDR, and managed hunting, all in a single agent that doesn't impact performance for the end user. The sensor provides unprecedented visibility into host activity to detect and prevent all types of malicious and suspicious activity. In this video, we'll illustrate the simplicity of installing the sensor onto various Linux distros. Before we can get to the installation, we need to know a few details about our Linux distro to ensure a smooth process. We need to know our Linux OS and kernel versions. Our first system is CentOS 7 with a 64-bit architecture. We can also see the kernel version. With these 2 bits of information, we can use the chart in the Falcon installation guide to verify that we've got the correct Falcon sensor version. In this chart for CentOS 7, we can find the kernel version and see that we need sensor version 3.6. On the host, we use the yum install command, and within a few seconds, the sensor has been installed. For our next installation, we'll look at an Ubuntu server running version 14.04. Again, we check the OS and kernel versions in the Falcon user interface. For Ubuntu 14.04, with our kernel version, the most recent Falcon sensor version is 3.8. After installing, we can quickly verify that the Falcon sensor is running by checking the running processes. For the last Linux distro, we'll install the Falcon sensor on a SUSE, or SUSE, however you prefer to pronounce it, 11 enterprise server. Again, knowing the OS and kernel version will simplify the install by downloading and installing the latest Falcon sensor. For the SUSE install, we confirm the default options, and within a few seconds, the sensor install is complete. A quick side note, if you'd like to create a master image with the sensor already installed, use this command to remove the agent ID. Then, as new images are created, they will each reach out to the cloud and grab a unique agent ID for each host. We could verify that the sensor has been installed by checking the processes, like we had done earlier, but we can also check in the Falcon user interface. In the host app, we can see the new systems in the Linux sections for the host dashboard. We can also see that there have been 3 new sensors recently installed. Clicking on these, we can see each system has successfully been added to our environment and is now ready for prevention policy adjustments or to be placed in specific deployment groups. For more information, check us out at CrowdStrike.com.